Ciao, this is Marc Marcantonio. I'm excited to bring today to you a new product. I've been anxiously waiting for this myself. It's a new type of turret system that attaches to your trolling motor, in my case the Lowrance Ghost Trolling Motor, and it is truly a revolutionary product. In fact, you can see by the name, it is Revolution Sonar, and this video is going to be about showing you what comes with it. It's going to be the unboxing. I just received this today by UPS, so this will be my first look at it in person, and it'll be yours as well. So let's get started and show what's in the box. Packaged very well. It's got a nice case with a handle. Throw the box away here. Get it out of the bag. See. Okay, the bag's got a taped edge. All right. There's the case. Got a nice carrying case with a handle. Full zipper. Get that open. First thing we got is a Revolution Sonar t-shirt. I'll be wearing that when I shoot the next videos of how to install this on my Ranger boat with my Ghost Trolling Motor. What else do we have here? We have a little cheat sheet laminated card that gives me some of the information about how to operate it in case I want to use it out on the water, in case I forget. Okay, here is the foot pedal. Well, let me show you the case. Nice form-fitting case. All the parts are inside. I've got the foot pedal here, 2-button foot pedal, and this is milled out of billet aluminum, solid aluminum, and all done in the USA. Got a junction box here. Nice junction box, and this is where all the cables are going to hook up to. This will go under my bow plate. Revolution Sonar junction box. And here is the foot pedal. Revolution Sonar. Very well made. He even laser engraved my name on the back of it. Made exclusively for Marc Marcantonio. You probably can't see it because it's laser engraved, but very nice. Very solid, bulletproof plexiglass disc. This is how you steer the aiming device. This will be how I steer my active target transducers, and I've got this set up for a dual transducers. Very nice waterproof connectors. Set that aside. As I said, here's the junction box. It's got a network connection. It's got the foot control module connector. It's got a connector for the motor module, one for the pivot sensor, and for power. And then here is the motor. This is the whole motor assembly already assembled. What's nice is this actually comes apart, and it's got two halves that clamp onto my Ghost Trolling Motor shaft. And therefore it's a very solid, secure way of mounting. And this whole unit on my boat, because I've got the longer Ghost, the 52-inch model Ghost Trolling Motor, the whole unit only weighs a total of roughly 3 pounds, a few ounces over 3 pounds. Much lighter than all the other motor-mounted turret systems. So it's something that I've been waiting for and really looking forward to. So that's the whole motor assembly that clamps onto the upper shaft of the Ghost Trolling Motor. And then here is the rail. And all of this is made out of top quality grade aluminum. I have to take these two screws out, move this rail down to the bottom because this is for the 52-inch. The standard size Ghost Trolling Motor 47-inch. This is all one piece. It doesn't require two. And you can see I've got this so that I've got two active target transducers that I'm going to be mounting on this. The top one is going to be in scout mode. The bottom one is going to be in forward mode. And what's really nice is that this bracket sets off of the shaft of the trolling motor so that I can have these at 0 degrees so that I get better pictures that are more accurate and easier to line up with my targets, whether they be fish, brush piles, stumps, whatever. Really anxious to use this. Okay, so that'll clamp on the bottom. We've got cables, all the cables that are needed. I got the some optional items along with mine because I am running dual active target transducers. There's an extra mount in here for the scout mode. That's an option that you can order when you order it. Plus there's a 2-foot drop cable in here that is needed for mine that doesn't come with it, but that's an option that you order at the time you order it. If you don't have an extra drop cable and T, you can get those when you order it all at the same time. So those are all the cables there. And in this box, which is underneath the foam, again, this is the foam that it's packed in. It's got spots in the back side where all of this fits into. Take that off. Okay, in here we got all the smaller parts. Here's my optional scout mode mount that will fit onto the rail. This is the lower rail bracket that freely moves around. Here's my optional extra T that I'm going to be using to connect it to my NEMA network. And then we've got some wrench, some foot pedal mounting screws, some foam pieces. We got the position pivot sensor mounting bracket included. And we've got a cable, a USB cable that will allow you to put software updates into the pedal. They go directly into the pedal by removing the plexiglass lid, which is a pretty simple process from the back. There are some screws on the back that you just twist them to the open position, and then that comes off. And then there's a micro USB port in there where you can put the cable in, and you can put software updates in when new features are coming out in the future. That's what those will be for. And that's pretty much transducer mounting screws. And that's pretty much it. There's some extra little stainless steel pins in here, and one of the things you'll see when I go to mount this is that all of the parts that clamshell together around the shaft have pins to help align them so that you get them mounted perfectly straight and square onto and plumb onto the shaft of the trolling motor. So that's pretty much what you get. And we'll go ahead now and start working on some videos on how I'm going to mount it to my trolling motor. So stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of the installation videos as well as the operation videos that I'll be following up with, along with all my other good information about Lowrance electronics and all of my different fishing sponsors that help support this channel. So your subscription helps support all of these videos, which can be pretty difficult to make sometimes, particularly all the editing. So I appreciate your support and stay tuned. Ciao. This is Marc Marcantonio.